Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we are going to have a detailed review of Switch WS Ultra Bluetooth outdoor speaker. So we are going to talk about its design, performance, features while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of Switch WS Ultra, you will find the WS Ultra speaker along with the strap already attached to it. Then we got some user manual, quick start guide, a USB Type-C cable to charge the WS Ultra and a 3.5mm aux cable. Now let's talk about the design. So the build quality is very solid and the design is quite beautiful as well. The material used is of high quality, whether it's the PVC, the fabric or the handlebar along with the strap. We got the fabric going from front to the back, but we got the speakers only on the front side. At the top we got the power button, volume up and down button, and also the mode button. All of the buttons provided are multifunctional. So you can use the power key also to play pause the track. You can use the volume keys also for moving between the previous and the next track. And you can use the mode button to switch between the modes and equalizers. On the back we got the slot where you will find the 3.5mm audio jack, a USB Type-C port and a USB Type-A port that you can use for multiple purposes, about which I'm going to talk in a bit. And the Switch Ultra comes with IPX6 waterproof certification, so it can easily survive splashes of water, and this is what makes it a good outdoor speaker, as it is not just rugged and solid, it is waterproof as well. We also got LED indicators on Switch WS Ultra, but they are very tiny, so in the bright light or at some particular angles they are nearly invisible and not useful at all. Now talking about the audio quality, this is a 60-watt speaker that comes with 220-watt full range drivers along with two 10-watt bass drivers. So the audio quality is really impressive. The bass is huge and so deep, and every other aspect of the audio like treble, lows and mids come very nicely in the audio output. And this is a true wireless speaker. It means that if you got two units of Switch WS Ultra, so you can pair them together as well, and then you can play the same music at the very same time on two different Switch WS Ultra. That's going to provide an even better audio experience. Unfortunately, I received only one unit of Switch WS Ultra here for review, so I cannot show you that feature hands-on, but I just wanted to share this information with you as well. Switch WS Ultra comes with outdoor and 3D equalizers, but if you use them, then even though they create a more spacious audio effect, the audio quality actually reduces as the mids and highs get amplified. So I will personally prefer to go with the default setting to listen all kinds of music on Switch WS Ultra. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and the maximum transmission distance is 10 meter and the connectivity is quite nice as well. And if you do not want to use the Bluetooth connectivity, then you can also use the provided 3.5mm aux cable to have a wired connection of Switch WS Ultra with your smartphone or the laptop. And you can also go old school and you can connect your pen drive, USB storage, etc. to WS Ultra and play music from there directly as well. We also got a microphone on Switch WS Ultra that you can use to make voice calls when your smartphone is connected with your WS Ultra. And talking about the battery life, it comes with 7200 mAh battery and it provides around 10 hours of battery life at nearly 50% volume, and you can even use this 7200 mAh battery to charge your smartphones and other devices. The charging output is pretty low but can be useful in case of emergency when you really need to charge your smartphone or any other device. So overall, Switch WS Ultra is a very nice portable Bluetooth outdoor wireless speaker in nearly every aspect. The design is quite beautiful, the build quality is super solid, rugged, and it comes with IPX6 waterproofing as well. The audio output of this 60-watt speaker is very impressive. It's super loud and provides very deep bass and also nice mids and highs. The battery life is also quite impressive, and you can also use this speaker as a power bank to charge your devices. So if you're planning to buy a rugged outdoor speaker, then Switch WS Ultra is a very nice option for you that you can consider. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.